Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talks Hub, the home of calm, natural, everyday English learning. I'm Lily.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy to have you here with us today, and I'm Arthur.
On this channel, we help you speak English clearly, naturally, and confidently for real life conversations.
Whether you're speaking with coworkers, meeting new people, traveling, or preparing for job interviews, we want to help you sound natural and relaxed.
Before we start today's lesson, please remember to like this episode and subscribe to English Talks Hub.
Your support really helps us continue creating useful lessons like this one.
Thank you so much for every like, comment, and subscription.
So, Lily, what are we talking about today?
Today's topic is extremely practical and useful.
We're going to talk about how to talk about your job in English.
This is something that happens all the time in conversation.
Exactly. When people meet someone new, one of the first questions they ask is about work.
It can happen at parties, networking events, while traveling, or even during casual conversations with strangers.
But many English learners feel nervous when this question comes up.
Yes, they know what their job is, but they don't know how to explain it clearly in English.
So today we're going to make everything simple.
We'll teach you useful questions, natural answers, helpful vocabulary, and common mistakes to avoid.
And of course, we'll practice together step by step.
But before we begin, Arthur, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, actually. I had a productive morning and a strong cup of coffee.
Coffee always helps.
How about you?
I'm feeling really good too. I'm excited about today's topic because it's useful for everyone.
Same here.
All right, everyone, let's begin. Let's start with the most common question people ask about work.
This question is extremely common when meeting someone new.
And the question is very simple.
What do you do?
That's it.
3 simple words.
But they carry a lot of meaning.
Native English speakers use this question all the time.
You might also hear another version.
What do you do for a living?
Both questions mean the same thing.
But what do you do sounds more casual and natural.
Some learners ask, "What is your job?"
That's not wrong.
But it sounds slightly more formal.
So if you want to sound friendly and natural, say, what do you do?
Now let's talk about how to answer this question.
The easiest structure is very simple.
You say, "I'm a plus job title."
For example, I'm a teacher, I'm a designer, I'm a nurse.
Very simple and very clear.
But sometimes you want to give a little more information.
Exactly.
For example, I'm a teacher, I teach English online.
Or, "I'm a nurse. I work in a hospital."
Adding one extra sentence helps people understand your job better.
Let's give a few more examples.
Sure,
I'm a chef. I work in an Italian restaurant.
I'm a software developer, I build mobile applications.
I'm an accountant. I help companies manage their finances.
Notice something important.
We're using simple English.
You don't need complicated vocabulary.
Clear English is always better than complicated English.
Now let's talk about another common situation.
What if someone doesn't have a job right now?
This happens often, and it's nothing to feel embarrassed about.
You can say, "I'm looking for a job."
Or, I'm between jobs right now.
Both sentences sound polite and natural.
What about students?
Students can say, "I'm a student."
Then add more information. For example, I'm a student. I study computer science.
Or, "I'm studying to become a doctor."
Now let's talk about another common question.
People often ask, "Where do you work?"
You can answer in several ways.
First, you can talk about the type of place.
For example, I work in a hospital.
I work in a school.
I work in an office.
You can also talk about the company.
For example, I work at Google.
Or, "I work for Microsoft."
There's a small difference.
We say "work at" for a location.
And work for a company or person.
Many people today work from home.
So you can say, I work from home.
Or, "I work remotely."
Now let's go deeper.
Sometimes people ask, "What do you do at your job?"
Or, what does your job involve?
This means they want to know your responsibilities.
A useful sentence structure is, my main responsibility is to.
For example, My main responsibility is to teach students.
Or my main responsibility is to manage projects.
Another structure is my responsibilities include.
For example, my responsibilities include answering emails, organizing meetings, and preparing reports.
Let's give examples for different jobs.
If you work in customer service, you might say, I help customers solve problems.
If you're a graphic designer, I create visual designs for websites.
If you're a software developer, I write code and fix bugs.
Another common question is, what are your working hours?
You can answer like this. I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Or I start work at 8 and finish at 6.
People might also ask, do you like your job?
You can answer positively. For example, I really enjoy working with people.
Or, I love the creative freedom.
Not every job is perfect.
So when talking about difficulties, use polite language.
Instead of saying I hate, say it can be challenging sometimes.
Or, working long hours can be tiring.
Another common topic is career goals.
Someone might ask, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
You could say, I'd like to become a manager.
Or, I hope to start my own business.
Now let's talk about common mistakes.
Mistake number 1 is using the wrong tense.
When talking about your job, use present simple.
For example, I work as a teacher.
Not I am working as a teacher.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Okay,
Hi, nice to meet you.
nice to meet you too.
What do you do?
I work as a marketing specialist.
Interesting. What does your job involve?
I create marketing campaigns and analyze data.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do. I love the creative part.
Remember something important.
Making mistakes is normal.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
The goal is communication, not perfection.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what do you do and what do you like most about your job?
We love reading your answers.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to English Talks Hub.
Keep practicing
Keep speaking.
and keep learning.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.